Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to enable and use on-screen keyboard with Numpad in any Mac computers. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the system settings, and now on the left side you will see here accessibility option. Just click on it. Now on the right side, just scroll down below. Now you will see here keyboard option. Just click on it. Now here you will see one option, accessibility keyboard. So by default this option will be turned off, so just turn it on. Now you can see here the on-screen keyboard. So this is the normal keyboard, but this keyboard does not have a numpad right now. So in order to get a numpad, what you need to do is just click on this panel editor. Now click on this add panel option. Now just select this keyboard ISO LURS. Now on the right side you can see here, so for all application, just click on it. Now you can select the respective option, whichever option you want to select. So I'm gonna select the system settings, and once you're done, just click on this close button. Now once again just turn on this accessibility keyboard option. Voila, now you can see here we have finally enabled the on-screen keyboard with numpad in our respective Mac computers. So you can see on the right side the numpads, and now you can just click on the respective key in order to type it using this on-screen keyboard. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily enable and use on-screen keyboard with numpad in any Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.